Hello everyone, myself Dhanraj Mancha, student of KJ Somaya Polytechnic, studying in Diploma 3rd year, would like to show a project that name is Professional Preparation with Nisar Khan and Kenil Thakkar. So what our project name stands for? It stands for preparing the student for exam in an effective way. A syllabus is a kind of instructive tool that sets a standard of what is expected to happen during the complete course session. It explains the course goals, describes the course structures and assignments, exam review sessions, and other activities which are required for students to learn. Now, why this project is? In exam times, students are facing the problems of lack of studying material, like they don't have a sufficient notes, syllabus, previous year question papers and quizzes for study. They go through the different websites for notes and they face the problems. It will take so much time for going to the different websites and take notes and start studying. So we created a website that students find their all the study material at one website. When you open our website, you will landed on our home page. Home page will have information about our Somaya College, that what service college is providing. If you want to access our data, the notes, then you have to sign up to our website. After that, there is a selection page where you have to select select as a faculty or a student. In our website, there are two sections, that is one teacher section and one is student section. So teacher can upload the notes, syllabus, information of the subject, quizzes for practices, and student can find all the study material at the student section. So student can be so hectic for studies. Now security. Our website has securities for both the students and teachers. Teachers have unique passwords for login, so no other can access their account. That the data that teacher uploads are confidential, means it is only for Somaya students. No outsider can come and access the data or do changes in teacher section. Our website provides double authentication for the teacher and single factor for the student. Advantages: the students do not have to go through different websites in search of notes. Students can refer the notes syllabus easily. They can find their study material so easily in the website. Our project future enhancement and has for now our website only provides notes for the computer department. So in future we will also add other department.
Thanks Dhanraj. Further, I will continue the explanation. So, as my teammate Dhanraj Panchal gave you the brief idea about the project, that is professional preparation, further I will explain or give you the brief idea in detail of this project. Firstly, let's start with the home page. Whenever we open a website, sometimes it takes a lot of time to open a particular website. Due to this, the one who is watching the website, his or her interest gets low. But in our project, someone will open the website. We have added additional feature, as you can see here. How KJ Somaya Polytechnic is coming in an animation format. So whenever someone opens a website the very first time, he or she will not have complete idea about the college. So whenever someone opens the website, he or she will get complete idea of the college. So first section is about us. Once we click on about us section, we get a little bit history about this college. So in about us we can see that a little bit history is given. It is given as the KJ Somaya Polytechnic is situated in Mumbai in Maharashtra state of India, which was established in 1963. After completing with the about us section, there is another section you can see in the home page is gallery. Once you click on the gallery, you can see the various images related to the KJ Somaya Polytechnic. So the next section used in our home page is facilities. The facilities provided by our colleges are the college provides us with the very huge library, their computer lab and a quadrangle. So whenever after that someone who have any query or any message he or she want to ask can type or fill this a small form to get in touch with us or with the college. After submitting this, or beside this there is a small map of KJ Somaiya Polytechnic. Inside this, if any student want to access the data, then he or she must click on the login button. After clicking on login button, the student need to sign up and create the account. Once the sign up is done, that data will get stored in our database, and those data are very confidential. Once sign up is complete, he or she needs to sign in and log in the next page. For example, I will explain you with an example so that you will understand clearly. First, we will click on the sign up button. We will create a random account, that is k@gmail. We have created a random username. Then we will create a random email ID. After creating an email ID, we will enter a related password. Once it is created, we will click on the sign up button so we can get to access our login process. So we will enter the username which we created while doing the sign up process, and we will enter the password so that we can get the facilities of accessing the data. Once the login process is done, before continuing with the next page, let's go back to the previous page. You can see that at the right hand side top there is a button. If you click on the button, a small change will appear on the screen, is that it will go into the dark mode effect. This dark mode effect we had implemented in our website because the student interest should remain constant. This dark mode process is used mainly in mobiles, we have seen, but in this project we have used dark mode process for the students to get their interest in our website. So further security of this project and other things will be explained or continued by Nisar Khan.
Thanks Kenil. Further I will continue the explanation. So as Kenil has explained you all about the login page, so when a faculty or a user logins here, then a session will get created or started different for every user. So this session ends when the user is leaving this website by logging it out from here. So let's log in it again. As you know, here are two options, that either we can log in as faculty or either we can log in as a student. When you select login as faculty, then you have to bypass through a second authentication. This is a security page, and this page ensures that no other than faculty can have the access through this page. So every faculty will first need to sign up here by creating the new password, and once they have created, he or she can be able to log in it from here. So let's create one. Now try to sign in it. After that, it will ask to select two things, that is the branch and the semester. For example, we will select the semester as 6 and the branch as computer. Then click on submit. You will be get landed on the computer engineering semester 6 page. Then faculty has to first select that of which subject he or she wants to upload the notes. For that, there is a sidebar, we have to open it by clicking it here. Then we have to select the subject. For example, I am selecting the ES subject. After clicking it, then the multiple options will be displayed. That is, in the ES, what the faculty want to upload, like the info of the subject, syllabus, notes, question paper, etc. So let's take, we want to upload the syllabus. So click on the syllabus button and it will appear here. Button will come here. Then we have to choose a file that we want to upload from our directory. Let's say I choose this file. We have to click open and then we have to click the submit. Then coming back to the selection page where we have selected to login as faculty. Now suppose a student has signed in, he or she will select as the option as student, means login as student. Then again the same options will come, that will branch and the semester. So let's select it first. And we have to click on the submit. As student submitted, he or she will be redirected to this page. Here student will select that the same thing, that which subject and which syllabus he want to the info, syllabus, notes, question paper or etc. So if we click on the syllabus, see here architecture.pptx, it is the file that we have uploaded from the teacher's end. Now if the student will click on this file, it will get downloaded in the students directory. So this was the overall working of our project. Hope you like it. We had also hosted our website on the Google. We are leaving a link in the description. Check it out once, please. Thank you.